Okay, let's touch upon a couple of basics that you're going to need to be familiar with in order to download planners or create notebooks. And you're going to hear some people say, make sure you're working out of your Safari browser if you're on an iPad. So when you've opened up your iPad, there's always going to be this gear shift looking thing, and that's your settings. When someone says, go into your settings and check for this, that, and the other, this gear shift is what we're talking about. Now, there's such a thing as a light tap and then a long press. So I'm always going to differentiate. The light tap will just open it for you. And you're going to scroll down among all these million things, right? And you're going to click on apps. Now, there's going to be a couple different browsers. There's Safari, there's Chrome, depending on the tablet you're using, but we're on an iPad. So the first one I come to is Chrome. Now it doesn't matter which one you pick, and I'll show you why. We're going to tap on Chrome, and it's always going to tell you right here. Let me try to make that bigger for you. Default browser app, and it's always going to list what your default browser app is, and that is Safari for me. So that's what you want to be on if you're downloading something and they say, make sure that you have your Safari browser open when you open this purchase. And this is one way of double checking and making sure. Now the back arrow will send you back to your list. We can also go down to Safari, and we can click on that. And again, it's going to tell you the default browser app is Safari. So if you click on it, it will show you the two kinds of browsers you have installed, and the check mark means which one is default. So we're good. We are all set to have that.